Hey everybody, Tim review on the Nakayoshi Box Car. I did a review on this the other day. This is the one that had the battery where it seemed like the battery was dead because that's how I had purchased it. I was told that the battery was dead, so I'm not going to open up the battery compartment to check the battery, but it does have like Japanese wording on it because this is a Nakayoshi model. I have not seen too many of these come up on eBay. Maybe every so often one does come up, but when it does, it's usually really rare. It has it's similar to a troublesome truck. It's got a box like right in here, it's like a box car. So you would attach it to like a train or a troublesome truck or whatever. And it's pretty cool. I definitely want to get more of these Nakayoshi type models. They're pretty nice. I really enjoy them quite a lot, actually. Britt Alcroft Thomas Limited 1999. So it's a 1999 casting. It has a black roof. It's got a gray body. So overall looks nice. And yeah, I think it's going to be about it for today for my review for the Nakayoshi Box Car. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. Thank you. Have a good day.